everyone. So, in this lecture, we are going to see yanking in Linux. So, what's yanking, first of all? Yanking is a method where we can do some keyboard shortcuts, and it's like an efficient way to type for the developers, coders, or programmers in the information technology industry or the Linux administrator. You can say that uh, the person who can use Linux, uh, the yanking may help him to operate Linux operating system a bit faster. So it's like an efficient way. So let's see, let's start. For that, actually, we need to create. Actually, I'll just okay. We don't have anything. Mm, how can we do that? Okay, we need to create a file first of all. That's the simplest task. We'll create vim yanking.txt. Okay, then can we copy something from the internet? We need to search for that. Firefox. Okay. Yeah, we have something over here already. We'll copy this. Can we? Yes. Uh, is it copied? I'm not. Okay. I think now it is. Insert mode by pressing I, and I'll paste this by. Okay. Paste. Yeah. Got it. Great. So now we will save this first. WQ exit. Got it? Now we have a file called yanking.txt. Now we are going to see some commands in yanking to operate on this file and see how yanking works. Okay, we'll clear the terminal and now we will go inside the yanking.txt in Vim. So first of all, you need to understand all the yanking commands will run in the Vim, or you can use them outside, but in the Vim particularly, you need to use command modes. Like there are some multiple modes, like the insert mode, visual mode, and there is also one as command mode, which is used for read-only purposes. So now we are in the command mode. As you can see, we can't type anything. Okay, now we are in the insert mode. But if I press escape and no identifier under the cursor. Okay, so we can't type anything in the command mode. That's why we can use yanking for that because we don't have the mouse access. That's why we'll be using the yanking. Let's see the first command. The first command is YY. Yank copy the current line in VM. YY used to copy the current line in the VM. Okay, so I think we are on the this line. Mhm. Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9. We are on this line because our cursor is on this line. So I will type YY. So you can focus it over here. You can see which keys are you typing right now. I hit Y. You can see it over here and Y. So now we can't see anything over here, but our line is copied. Okay. So there is another command as P, P for paste. So if I click P, then yeah, you can see Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 again populated over the original line because I hit P on that current cursor. That's why, right? You might have understand the use of YY and also P. So if I want to paste that same line over here. Red Hat Enterprise Linux can be confidently deployed. So I'll hit P. Yeah, you can see that. Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9. It is over the this paragraph. Okay, let's see the next one. The next one is U. U is used to undo the last change in Vim. Simple enough. Let's see. I don't want to put Red Hat Enterprise Linux on this paragraph. I'll hit U because I've pasted it in the last command. So I'll hit U. You can see one line less before hash 3 seconds ago, 33 seconds ago. Got it? Next one. DD. DD delete or cut the current line. You'll see that we have two same lines over here. The first line is Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9, and the second one is also Red Hat Enterprise Linux Linux 9. So I'll hit DD and the second line gone. It got deleted. That's the purpose of DD. It will delete on the current line. 10DD deletes or cut the next 10 lines. Okay, interesting. We'll see that. How? 10, you can see that over here. I wrote 10 DD and 10 lines gone. We can see only the last paragraph is there. But because of some experimental issues, we need to come back to the previous version. So I'll hit U. U means undo. Okay, got it. You might have understood the 10DD. It will cut the 10 lines from the current cursor. It will starts the deleting from here. So we'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I think that's the one. How it can delete the whole this one? I don't know. Okay, it's actually on the same line. We are saying this as on the different lines, but if I say that, yeah, you can see this after going down, it directly goes on highlights. So that's why these two are on the same line. That's why it is taking as a one single line. Okay, next one. One. So this, okay, actually, this should be like this. Okay, delete all the lines in the files. So if you want to delete all the lines inside the file, all the content inside the file, you can actually go colon, then one comma $D. Okay, one comma $D, and all the lines are gone. So that will used for the deleting all the contents of the file. I'll hit U. Okay, our content is back again. CC, change, delete, and enter inside the insert mode the current line. Okay, so this use case is if you want to inside uh, enter inside the current line after deleting the line. So you will hit CC. So you have entered inside the insert mode, and you can see that the line is not here. RHEL Hat Enterprise Linux 9 was written over here. We can see that using undo. We should use the command mode first. So U, and you can see that Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 was here and it is still here because we have undone it. Next one is slash search word. Search a specific word inside the file. You'll see that we are in the insert mode. Yeah. I want to search uh, databases. Okay. I want to search databases word inside this whole file. Okay, so I'll hit slash and I'll search as databases. You can see the databases word automatically got highlighted. We'll see the next one. We'll see enterprises. Prise, enterprise. So you can see there are three enterprise word inside the whole file. Got it? Okay. Let's go to the next one. This is how we can search the word inside the file. Now, this is the interesting command. $s slash search word or searching term slash replaced word and G means global. If we use this command, then it will replace all the occurrence of the word in the file globally. Okay, so all the occurrence means globally. So we'll see dollar, not the dollar, colon, percentage S slash searching term. Okay, so I think which word we can replace? Okay, Ansible is over here. Ansible is known for its configuration management feature. So we'll see Ansible and then slash config management slash G. Okay, are we correct over here? I think so. Let's see. Yeah, you can see that the Ansible is gone and we can see config management technology over here. Got it? Now, there is another use case if we don't want to replace all the words inside the file. Okay, this command percentage s slash search word slash replace word is used to replace only the first occurrence of the word per line. Okay, so we'll just use U. The Ansible will come back and then we'll search for colon dollar s slash. So which word in this whole file comes repetitively? Mm, I can see enterprise. I can see designed. Okay, let's see the design. Hmm? Designed. Designed. Oh, I think, yeah, it does take care of the cases, upper cases and lower case. Let's see the next one. Mm, okay, we'll just see with the uh, applications. Okay, I can say applications. Yeah, we do have some applications repetitively. Application 1, 2, 3, and 4. I think these are all over here. So I'll just change it with application, and that's it. It should not have changed. Okay, it does have. I think we have made some mistake. Hyphen S. Okay, on the words per line. Okay, we have done it correctly because it is changing the words per line. Got it? First occurrences. set and u. So this is a great command for the coders actually, who do want to code in the uh, Vim. So we can say as set and u, and you can see that every line will have its line number in front of the line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we have seen that this whole is in the one line. That's why when we deleted 10 lines, then it went till here, because some lines have multiple. We can see those as multiple lines over here, but these are only one lines. Okay. So we can set the line number by using set and u. Next one, 7 to 9 Linux, and then, okay, I don't know what the Linux means over here, but let's see. Replace the words, replace a word within 7 to 9. Okay, we'll see how it works. Mm, okay, 7, oh, 7 comma 9 S slash Linux. Why is it Linux over there? Let's see. Without Linux, we'll not put the Linux. We'll see, or it changes. So we have changed applications to the application. So we'll do that again from line 7 to line number 9. So we do have one, I think so, two and three. Minimum three are there. So let's see. Application. You can see he can sort it out from 7 to 9 only. You see that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Two applications. Okay, we'll do that. And yeah, got it. You can see applications over here, application over here. Why is that? I don't know. Applications and the applications. So it does changed the application word to the applications. I don't know about this one. Why is it not doing for this? But yeah, you understood the use case of this. Okay, let's see the next one. This one is GG, not the good game, but yeah. Move the cursor to the first line of the file. We'll see that. So your cursor is on the line number 9. Now, either you can do uh, go to first line of the file by using the arrow keys, by using this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I might have pressed that button a couple of times. But if you are on the, like, your file is like 1000 line, 2000 lines of file. So how can you press the arrow keys to go on the first line of the file? By using the arrow keys, not efficient way. So we'll use GG, and you can see you went on the first line of the file. This is the efficient way in the Yanking. Okay, Shift G. Move the cursor to the last line of the file. Similarly, if you have 1000 lines in your file, 1000 lines of code, you want to add something in your code at the last part of the code. How can you go to the last part, the last line of the code? You can either press down arrow keys repetitively for the next couple of minutes, or either you can press Shift G, and you can see that you're on the line 14. Okay, let's see. colon 5. Move the cursor to the line 5. Similarly, I want to go to line number 9, then I will put colon 9, 9 and my cursor will go to line number 9. Okay, next one, SP. Now, uh, the Linux is like it gives us facility for multitasking, right? But sometimes your terminal might get uh, busy in some tasks. Like if you want to see some running tasks on your terminal, right? But you don't want to quit that, but you want to run some other commands in your terminal. How can you do that? Hmm? So for that, we can divide our terminal in some parts, like vertically and the horizontally, right? So how to do that? For that, we can split the window in the horizontally by using SP, right? So we'll use SP, and you can see that we have two sections of the terminal. Either of that, you can use the window vertically, split the window vertically. So you will have two windows side by side. So I'll use SP. Oh, sorry, VS. I went into the visual mode, sorry. VS. Now you can see we do have two terminals side by side. Okay, that's the use of yanking. So now you can run something in this. Now you can run something in this one, and this one. Okay, so you can run three multiple terminals at one time. That will increase your efficiency of working, executing commands, applications, and something. It will help Linux administrators or DevOps engineers to run like the Kubernetes pods and the Docker commands in the different terminals. So that's where it is useful. Yeah, that's it for this lecture. Thank you so much.